So this power, this spiritual power, this Balaram, Baladev. Balaram means the power of bliss. Raman means joy, bliss. And Balaram means Nityananda, because that Bala, that's eternal, Nitya. Nityananda is the same as Balaram. Balaram means Nityananda, eternal bliss. Bala, one can only have eternal bliss if one has eternal power, if he has that power within him. And this is what Balaram came as Nityananda, to give freedom to the whole world, give the freedom power, the Mukti Shakti, to give everyone the Mukti Shakti, the power to get free from birth and death by taking shelter of the truth. And the truth is the holy name. There's no other truth in this world. The only truth in this material world is the Jiva and Krishna's holy name. And Jiva is an Amsha, an expanded part of the plenary portion of Balaram. Is Mahavishnu. That is also Balaram. So this is the power of Nityananda, the power of Balaram. This is Shabda Brahman. This is the power of Kirtan. But unfortunately, the modern people of the world have no faith in this power. They have no faith in the powerhouse of Balaram, or the powerhouse of Nityananda. And Balaram came into this world as Nityananda to give away, freely give the gift of spiritual love power. We talk about power, so many political power, economic power, educational power, knowledge power, physical, mental power, computer power, etc. But there's nothing, everyone will admit, universally, the greatest power is the power of love. The power of giving, the power of love itself. And this is the power that Nityananda came to give, the power of love, Supreme Nam Sankirtan. This is the free gift of spiritual love. He came to give it to everyone. Nityananda gave it to the human beings, the advanced, the cultured, the degraded, the drunks, the unfortunate. He gave the power of love to the birds, the animals, everyone. But that was never given before to any gods or to demigods or anyone. But he's giving it freely. This is the real worship of Lord Balaram. If we want to worship Lord Balaram, we can best worship Lord Balaram on his appearance day by surrendering to his representative, Sri Guru, and absorbing ourselves in the power of truth by fully dedicating ourselves to truth in the form of kirtan. Kirtan is the highest truth. Kirtan is the most fulfilling truth. Kirtan is a living truth. Kirtan is a loving truth. And kirtan is the power of love and the power of Baladeva himself. Baladev's power is coming in the form of kirtan, Nam Sankirtan. So all the spiritual power of Baladev will be obtained when we surrender to the lotus feet of Guru and accept Shuddha Nam from his holy lips and engage our body, mind and senses in serving the holy name with every ounce of voluntary power we may have within us. So the conclusion is, on this day of Balaram's appearance, the best way to serve Balaram and the best way to receive the spiritual strength from Balaram is to engage fully in the service of our Guru with surrender, with dedication, with sincerity, and all the while chanting the holy name of the Lord, engaging in the powerhouse kirtan yoga of chanting purely the holy name of Sri Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.